All right, welcome to MarineMax Maryland. My name is Perry, part of the sales team here. Got a little bit different something for you today. This is a 2020 Regal LS6, a new trade for us. So let's walk around the hull here really quick. See, it's got a nice blue stripe down the middle. Got a nice power tower here. It does have bottom paint on it, so whether you want to keep this on a lift or in the water, she's ready to go. Stern drive. Got a very large swim platform here, as well as a fold-out platform that can go down in the water when you're chilling at the beach. When you come on up, notice got a huge platform back here. These can go back or forward. You've got a lift up kind of aft bench rest here. So again, when kids are in the water, you want to chill out back here. You can lounge, or you can have a little bit of a backrest here on the aft end of the boat. On in. Again, you got a power tower here. You got a nice large bimini that'll give you lots of sun coverage throughout the day. And then one thing that I noticed when I got first on this boat was the amount of storage. Port and starboard, cavernous space for anything you want to take with you for the day. So we move ahead. Come on down in here, Mike. Again, just like the forward loungers move back and forward, so do your co-captain and captain's chairs. So in this configuration, you're down at St. Michael's, you're tied up at Foxy's, and you got both opposing seatings, pushed backwards, and all your guests can sit down and enjoy a good crush or something like that. Got a large head here. Let's take a peek there. Overboard discharge, head upgrade. You got a RA Fusion 770 headset here, brand new. Over to captain side. Your Volvo Penta binnacle here. A nice leather wrapped steering wheel. You got twin Garmin GPS touchscreens. So whatever you want to do, push your engine gauges over here. You want to put kind of your remote, your chart plotter, all can be functioned from right here. But it does have trim tabs, some of your necessary switches and gauges here. And then you've got wind blocker as well as down below. So you close this up, it really takes away some of the wind you get coming around the bay. I can let you come up here. But again, you got lots of seat in the bow. You've got armrests, you've got handholds there. 2 speakers up here, and it does have a holder for a teak bow table. So come on down and check it out. We'll be here this weekend, pretty much every weekend. So again, address is 448 Kent Way North here in Graysonville, right next to Red Eye's Dock Bar. Again, my name's Perry. Come on down and check us out. Thanks for watching.